Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at one of our all-new NauticStars. It's the 203 DC, sitting on a single axle trailer, so it's easy to move around in your garage when you're not in use. It's powered by a 150 Yamaha engine. It's absolutely great outboard engine. Here on the inside, the upholstery flips up so it's easy to board the boat. Infinity woven flooring is snap out. As you can see, there is a in-floor storage area to store all your belongings. This is a 10-person boat, and again, as you can see here in the bow, it's your true deck boat with a very large beam, lots of seating, lots of room. Speakers in the front, cup holders in the front. It's equipped with a cooler. Here at the helm, the seat has a flip-up bolster option, so if there's people sitting in front of you, you can pop the seat up and see above them. Here you have all your tacks, powered by an Infinity stereo system. Here in the back, again, very wide seating area. And if you flip down the seat, the upholstery, you have even more seating area. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this NauticStar or one of our other boats here in our Rogers showroom today.